Again, Zoe?
A duck.
A duck.
Yeah.
Quack. We'll see your skill.
It's a surprise every time, you know.
They say a lot of things. People say a lot of things, Zoe.
You might be a penny sweet, you never know.
You never know, you could get lucky, Zoe. We're holding up the line here. Thank you very much. Alright, Zoe, impress us with your skills. Put it in there. Other way. Oop, like that. Why did you call the lady over? We still don't know what we're doing. Can you help, please? Okay, Zoe helps here.
Not going through? No. Turn it the other way. Sometimes the reader gets dirty.
Thank you very much. Try again. Hey, we got a duck. What the quack? Show us your prize. You still got $2 more on there. Go play something else. Oh, it's here. Oh my God.
Is it?
I have no idea. Let's find out. Swipe.
You have a go.
Alrighty. I'll switch the camera off.
Who are you to wake me up? I will keep an eye on you.
it. You're done.
Done,
You
son?
said you won 15 tickets, but it didn't give you the tickets.
That's okay, down here.
Oh. That's it.
Just swap one more?
No, that's it. You have 2 tickets left on the card, 2 credits, and that's all you have left on the card.
That's all I'm gonna do.
Look.
Hero! There we go, here's a memory.